watching San Diego's breaking news leader. This is News 8 at 11.
Barbecue fans rejoice. The opening of a new Phil's Barbecue in the county and the jobs the restaurant is creating. Good news for Phil's Barbecue fans. The famous restaurant has opened a third location, this one in the East County. A ribbon-cutting ceremony was held this morning at the newest Phil's Barbecue at the old Trolley Square in Santee. Doors open to the public at 11 a.m. and yes, there was already a line out the door. Not only is it a popular place to eat, but it's also, we understand, a popular place to work.
We hired about 125 people and real good crowd. There was 2,300 applicants came to apply for a job. We try to do our best to hire the best.
Mayor Randy Vopel declared today Phil's Barbecue Day in the city of Santee in recognition of Phil's commitment to good food, good friends, and good times.
And commitment to the community. Phil Pace is a wonderful supporter of the San Diego Humane Society, and you were drooling when you read that script.
It's hard for me. You know me and barbecue.
Big fan of the barbecue.